Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in this video we're going to take a look at the Derpfest 16.2, which is based on Android 16 QPR2 for our OnePlus 6 and the OnePlus 60. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the installation of the same. So guys, this is solely a installation procedure video, not a review video. As you can see, I just installed Derpfest on my OnePlus 6 to review, but I saw the installation procedure is a bit different, and explaining it in the description will quite not be a nice idea, because I tried with 2-3 recovery images or boot images, but that didn't work, so I have to use the latest one. So I'll make a proper procedure video. So first of all, be it stock ROM or any other custom ROM, you can go into about phone and tap on the build number 7 times, get back, get into system, turn on developer options, turn on, as you can see, OEM unlocking is turned on. Obviously you need the bootloader to be unlocked. Allow USB debugging and connect your device to the PC. Now after connecting your OnePlus 6 or 60 to your PC, you will get this notification or a pop-up, so you'll just press on allow. Now let's move into your PC. On your PC, as you can see, you have the CMD open, and obviously you need ADB and fastboot drivers, so make sure you have platform tools installed which has ADB and fastboot. So now you just need to input command ADB reboot bootloader and enter, and as you can see, your device has rebooted into the bootloader mode. It will do, as you can see, fast boot mode, and you will get the screen which is the fast boot mode or bootloader mode. Now the device has booted into the fast boot or bootloader mode. Now let's get back to your PC, and now you need to input command fastboot flash boot _a boot.img. Now after this finishes, the next command will be fastboot flash boot _b and boot.img. So you need to flash boot image to both the slots, and as you can see, it has finished. Getting back to your phone, first of all, let's reboot your device into bootloader again. So fastboot reboot bootloader on your PC in the command CMD, and as you can see, the phone has rebooted back into the bootloader mode. Now on the phone, you just need to press the volume keys. You can see the recovery mode option. Press the power button and your device will reboot into the recovery mode. As you can see, it will reboot into the Derpfest recovery. So this is the Derpfest recovery, and you have successfully flashed the Derpfest recovery mode. Now what you have to do is go to factory reset, or sorry, not factory reset, you need to go to install update ADB sideload. So this is the ADB sideload screen. Getting back to your PC, go to ADB sideload, and you need to copy the zip name. So yeah, I'm just copying the Derpfest zip name. You can also drag and drop, but I prefer copying. So this is ADB sideload Derpfest. You need to add .zip and press enter. And now as you can see on your phone, the installation procedure has started, and on your PC in the CMD it will say 47, and it will take a lot of time, so it does not go above 47. That's how the installation procedure is. On your phone you can see you will get an option, maybe, I'm not sure, but you might get an option to reboot again into recovery, but you don't have to do that. This Derpfest build has GApps pre-built, so if you want to install Magisk, you can do that by rebooting manually into recovery and then installing Magisk or kernel SU, whatever you want. If you want any custom kernel, which has been linked in the description, you can find all the files in that tab. And in order to use the December boot image which was suggested by, I tried using that December boot image to flash recovery, but it did not work. It was just rebooting back into bootloader. So I extracted the latest boot image from the Derpfest 7 zip, which right now we are flashing, and I flashed that. As you can see right now, we have flashed the boot image and it booted properly into recovery. So I recommend you guys use the May recovery. First you can try using December boot image, or if it is not successful, then you can go for the May boot image like I did. So yeah, as you can see, the recommendation not always works, but you can just give it a try. And if not, you can try something like me. I did an alternative, installed the latest boot images, and it worked fine. So yeah, this is really random and it is not gonna happen to everyone, but some of the users are facing this issue. That's why this is a workaround. If the older boot image is not getting installed and you are not able to boot into recovery mode, you can use this. Now let's skip to the part where the Derpfest get installed on your device. I just wanted to give you the explanation of using the boot image or the recovery to be flashed onto your phone. So guys, if you notice on your PC in the CMD window, it will say 47% and it will just stop installing, and it will say total for 1.00x. So that means it has probably installed really well. And on your device screen, as you can see, it says installation completed with status 0, which means no errors found. So now you need to go to factory reset, format data, factory reset, format data. And once this is done, get back, reboot system, and wait for your device to reboot into Derpfest. And this is how to install Derpfest 16.2, and obviously this is the official Derpfest 16.2 for our OnePlus 6 and the OnePlus 6T. So I hope you guys have liked this installation procedure, and I hope you guys have already listened to my explanation regarding the boot image flashing on your OnePlus 6 or 6T. There are some users who have faced that issue, so the developer gave alternative to flash the December boot image, but for me it did not work. I had to use the latest images. So you can also try with December boot image, which is recommended by the developer. And in the link which you will download the Derpfest zip, you will get the December boot image already present. So you can just easily download it and try it with the same, and obviously follow the same instructions which I used in CMD, the same commands. And yep, that's it. You have Derpfest 16.2, which is Android 16 QPR2 on your OnePlus 6 or the OnePlus 6T. So that's it. As you can see, it has booted, so the installation is successful. And that's it guys. See you soon with the review of the same. I'm going to use this device for 2-3 days. Obviously I'm not there for 2 days more, so yeah, I'll be probably reviewing this in 2 or 3 days, and then I'll be updating you guys with the full review, and I hope you guys stay tuned for that also. So please subscribe if you have not already, and bye bye guys, take care, see you soon, bye.